once again to Meals with MPC, Beverage Bonus. I just finished making an episode on pico de gallo because I'm going to be making tacos tonight. What goes better with tacos than a margarita, right? So this episode is going to focus on making a margarita. First off, if you're not of legal drinking age, wherever you reside, please exit this video now. Everybody's gone? All right, let's get to it. For this, you're going to need a silver tequila. I'm using a diet grapefruit soda. There's many different kinds out there. We've also used grapefruit seltzer water. We've used lime seltzer water. So different options are available to you. I've got some lemonade flavor crystals. I have not made the lemonade. The actual crystals themselves are going to be applied directly to the drink. I've got a straw. I've got a glass with cubed ice. You could do crushed ice if you like. For me, I'm doing cubed ice because I like the way that the ice melts more slowly and doesn't water down the drink. I've got a lime, I've got a knife, a cutting board, and a lime squeezer. So let's move this off to the side a little bit. Step one, use your silver tequila, fill it about 1/3 of the way. That's about 1/3. Next, I like to add my lemonade flavor crystals because then when I pour the diet grapefruit soda on top of it, it helps mix it up. So I'm not pouring the whole pack, I'm doing a little bit. All right, some of this is gonna be trial and error. Figure out what tastes good to your palate. Slowly opening up the soda. Pour that on top. Next up, take your lime, roll it under the palm of your hand on the counter to soften it up a little bit. Makes it easier to squeeze. I'm going to quarter my lime because of the size of this drink. If I was making a bigger margarita, I'd probably put a half a lime in it, but since this is a smaller margarita for instructional purposes, I'm only going to use a quarter of a lime. You can squeeze it by hand if you like. I'm gonna go ahead and do this first. Squeezing all that lime juice in. And then as a garnish, I am gonna put that lime in there. Take my straw, mix it, push that lime down to the bottom, mix it all around. Not bad. I'm gonna add a little bit more lemonade crystals. And there we go. You have a nice refreshing margarita. Calories are coming from your tequila and from your lime. That's about it. Not too bad. Now, if that's too much work for you, and sometimes, let's be honest, you really don't want to do that much work for a nice tequila-based beverage, you can take your glass. I've thrown a couple of whiskey stones in. I have an añejo tequila. Pour it in. And enjoy. That's delicious. So once again, this has been Meals with MPC Beverage Bonus. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a margarita or how to drink tequila neat. Again, if you're not 21, you shouldn't have been watching this video. You're a naughty person. I'm going to tell your mother. Join us again next time for Meals with MPC, the show for people who have to cook but don't really like to cook.